Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Greg token. Name of the token is Greg, ticker symbol is also Greg. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today, and this token is doing very well. It is in the top gainer section. It was just #1 in the top gainer section. It is still up 459% right now, doing amazing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Greg token. So their official webpage listed on CoinMarketCap here is greg.cab, C-A-B. They have their Etherscan on here. It says white paper. I just tried clicking on the white paper. It would not open up though. Maybe I'll try a different Explorer. I'll try it on Microsoft Edge or something. Yeah, it was not working for some reason. You can also find the price chart, contract address, all that stuff is available. No, that was, okay, that didn't work there either. Yeah. You can also find their price chart, contract address, Etherscan, their socials. All those things are available on, let me try that. All right, yeah, their white paper does not seem to want to open up. So maybe their white paper is not available. It says gregwhitepaper.pdf. It's not opening up in multiple browsers. But what can you do? Anyways, there's info on the web page. Right now they have 1,157 holders, 2,578 transfers, 9 decimal places, and a max total supply here of that is, looks like 420 trillion tokens. So this is an Ethereum token, so basically if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Greg token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that here in a second. Token's doing very well. 520% in the green right now. Now their Twitter, @GregETHMoon. 23,371 Telegram members, so that's amazing that they have that many. Their Twitter has 6,000, and it says, "I'm Greg, I like football and stocks, and it's my birthday, and I'm from Kentucky. I am an investor. I like to golf at the golf course." So obviously this guy is a meme. Looks familiar. I've seen him in memes. I just can't remember the exact text of the memes, but either way, this is Greg. So if you go over to their Medium articles, there is one Medium article here. So it says key takeaways. It seems to be mostly about Dogecoin here. So it talks about a joke here about, and then Greg runs with the joke. I don't know, maybe if there's time we'll go over that, but let's look at their important things on the webpage here. So it says, name the token Greg, ticker symbol Greg, then they have the contract address, and it says 0% tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, most likely you will not have to change slippage. Now they do have a buy it link to Uniswap there. And then they have some tweets here from the actual, this looks like the actual Greg. It's a verified account. It says, "Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, especially my mom." Just a whole bunch of Greg tweets, so that's cool. what the Greg is. So Greg is a unique and innovative cryptocurrency that was created with the goal of becoming the ultimate meme coin. The name Greg itself is a play on words that captures the essence of the project, with Greg resembling the phrase greatest ever in sound and appearance. The Greg token is designed to be used as a form of payment for a wide range of goods and services. Whether you're buying a shirt from a popular meme brand, consuming content created by some internet's brightest minds, or simply transacting with others on the platform, Greg aims to be the go-to token for all things meme related. So it says global mass usage. Our Greg is ideal to learn how to crypto. A low-cost, low-risk, multi-chain community coin with real-world use cases and a large supportive community. Now, even though they say that, obviously there's always a huge risk. You can lose lots of money, so just be aware of that. I don't see a full audit or anything yet, so there's, who knows if this token's even safe. Now it says inclusive, allow access to cryptocurrency profits, also to make people less financially means, whatever that, the grammar is way off on there. Therefore, we do all the initial distribution at a low price, they're saying. And unbanked, such classic banking services cannot be implemented in a profitable way to those areas. The Greg will allow for P2P, P2B, and B2B payment transactions at a low cost. So they're basically kind of just saying what Ethereum does. Oh, I just hit the camera, my bad. They're basically just saying what Ethereum does. I mean, how low of a cost is Greg compared to Ethereum, right? I don't know. Real world payment coin. You can use Greg's token today to pay at vending machines. What vending machines? Point of sale systems for shops and e-commerce payment modules. Where are these vending? Show me some pictures. It says they're partners with OpenSea, so they're probably going to have some Greg NFTs. That would make sense. Dex tools. Let's see if they have a Dex tools chart. Aave.ai, Uniswap, Dex View, and Dex Screener. So they have it's like team information, but it's all fake names, fake everything, so that's not real information. Roadmap. Greg was created. Greg get listed on 16 exchanges. Well, so far, what are the exchanges? And reach 15,000 plus holders. Then 26 exchanges. That's a lot of exchanges. Listed on the Bitberry wallet. Greg is listed on Swift Pay. Pay anything anywhere with a QR code. And then vending machines. It says in April, vending machine. Where are the vending machines? Show the vending machines. MPOS and e-commerce, and then Greg get listed on Korean Exchange. Maybe that's, I can't even guess what that's going to be. Who knows? Looks like there might be a Forbes article. And what else here? Forbes article coming next month, it says. For example, the Greg project encourages unbanked people to use crypto. All right. So there's an official fundraiser. It says they're going to burn 10% of the total supply. And besides that, let's see. Their white paper their white paper doesn't work. It said they're partners with Dex Tools, but when I clicked on Dex Tools, no chart popped up. Now there's some meme story on, they have one Medium article you could check out, but as I scroll through their Twitter here, there's just all sorts of memes. There's 43 tweets, but hopefully there's like a Dex Tools chart or something on there. I don't know, lots of memes anyways. But yes, this is very much a meme token with little to no security, so just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before investing in Greg. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about the Greg token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.